Hello guys, today we are making LED blinking in sequence circuit in tinkercad. So first we have to take bread. So here we take a breadboards of regular size. Like you also have some small, but we have choose simple regular size. We have to make LED sequence like from Arduino. We have to make Arduino this. You can place anywhere. I will place like yeah, okay. So this is a perfect place, like easy now. Now, like we have to make a blinking circuit, so we need LEDs. So I have take this. Like you can also take like this. Uh, no, this simple. Okay, yeah, you copy this. Next, Control V, or you just take this. Next, this. Just place anywhere you want. As we want to just 5. Okay, now select the color of your choice. Let's start from 2. First we have to give, okay, let's give ground. We have to give ground like I am giving ground to. You can just take anywhere what you want. I just, okay, I'm just, you have 2, 3, 4, 5. Just connecting this. Wait, just connected. Now this is an cathode and this is anode. Cathode. What is cathode? Yeah, I just joined this and here I just sorry like audio just for a clean purpose I just put like okay, like this we have given the ground. Just give all the ground. Wait, so I don't know why my slow moving this like way. Yeah, just give ground. Okay, now let's take like red color for the output. Yeah, so we want to start from here. Yeah, yeah, you just take any color like, yeah, okay, yeah, just I'm just want to see what's okay, connect all this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and remaining. So I also write code for this, not making only this, but I also write this code. Otherwise, without code how this will work. I'm just kidding, bro. Just kidding. This is my first video. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, now all is done. Oh, the main part I have forgot is register. Uh, Very important one. Otherwise, the short circuited. Yeah, just take the register port. Okay, let's see disconnected or okay. I think wait a second. Don't know what is going on this. Let's okay. Yeah, yeah. This will be easy way as okay. Yeah, just put yeah. Now this is looking fine. Now okay. Let's okay. Wait. Yeah, so I'm recording. So for the reason maybe. Yeah, this is looking not nice, but this will work. Yeah. Now just see, let's write a code. Yeah, you can do what I am going. Just click here and just write. I'm writing from the basic. Like there are many options you can write, but I will use data structures according to array. I will use arrays. Okay. Now I have given array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yani yeah means 5, and I will give values like which one I want to to like 6. No, yeah, this is same now. Void set means like we here we have give just okay. We should we use for loop here. As you know, index for the output of we use spin mode here. We should want like 5. This means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, this work will go according to I plus plus, and like next inside we have to write pin mode. Here we have to write area. I sorry array I, so that he could take according to, and here we have to give output. Here we have to give output because here we have given output and no like this. This is very simple. If you know coding, this would be not real matter. Uh, yeah, you have to learn the, but yeah. Now void setup. Now void loop. Yeah, small. Sorry. Okay. Now you was wondering why I'm not showing. Yeah. I already tell this is my first video, and in first I have told you about tinkercad. Okay, so leave it. And now next, what I have now. Wait a second. Okay, I'm just yeah. I've just learned the code. Sorry. Yeah, just follow. I have to think what I have to do. Like we have to make this okay. So first we have to high and low, then change. Yeah, follow. Use follow. I is equal to 0. I less than 5. I plus plus. Yeah. How many alphabets to give? Just we have to write digital right. It means it will give this. Now here area. Oh sorry, array I. It will take and set value high, and we have to give delay so that it can stay there for 1 second, and then again digital write. If we don't write digital write low, like I am showing you, like this, then LED will not close, and when we change, we want to go another light blinking, then it will. We don't know when the lights start blinking, so we have to count for 1 second. Now, I am thinking we are ready, and here we go. Let's just remove it. Let's. You also have to check this twice. Like, okay, yeah. Okay, let's see this works or not. I just hope this works. Like first this, then this. Yeah, okay. I think yeah, I think it should be fast. Okay, by this. Let's see. Yeah, just okay, okay, yeah, just uh, give small. Yeah, you have to stop. Just give 500 for a better experience. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Okay, half second. Yeah. Okay. 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 Again. Yeah. This is going in time. Okay. Yeah. So you have seen like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and 5 like this again, moving fast. So yeah, you can take 1,500. So here we go, and here are this circuit completed. LED blinket circuit, as you can see, and here is your code. Here you can copy it like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.